Direct vent water heaters comparison. Direct vent water heaters are an essential component for homeowners seeking efficient and safe ways to heat water while venting combustion gases directly outside. These systems are particularly popular for their compact designs and ability to operate without relying on indoor air for combustion, making them ideal for tight spaces or energy-efficient homes. The Blulu Stainless Steel Direct Vent Pipe Kit is a budget-friendly option designed for basic venting needs. It includes a 3-inch OD elbow, a 19.7-inch horizontal termination pipe, a chimney rain cap, and mounting clips, making it a complete kit for straightforward installations. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, which is critical in environments with high moisture levels. Priced at $36.99, this kit is ideal for homeowners seeking an affordable solution for venting tankless water heaters. While the Blulu kit is functional, it is limited in scope and best suited for smaller installations or DIY projects. The lack of compatibility details with specific water heater brands may pose challenges for users unfamiliar with venting systems. Additionally, its performance is adequate for standard applications, but may not meet the demands of high-capacity or non-condensing tankless water heaters. Overall, this product is a good entry-level choice, but lacks the advanced features found in higher-end options. The Noritz NRC66 DVLP is a high-performance indoor condensing tankless water heater designed for liquid propane systems. With a flow rate of 6.6 gallons per minute, it is capable of supporting multiple fixtures simultaneously, making it ideal for medium-sized households. This unit features advanced condensing technology, which improves efficiency by capturing and utilizing heat from exhaust gases. While the price is not provided, Noritz is known for producing reliable, long-lasting products. This model excels in energy efficiency, making it a great choice for eco-conscious users. The condensing technology significantly reduces energy waste, translating to lower utility bills over time. However, installation may require professional assistance due to its complexity, and the upfront cost may be higher than non-condensing alternatives. Overall, the Noritz NRC66 DVLP is an excellent choice for users prioritizing performance and efficiency. The Rheem ProTech Concentric Horizontal Termination Kit is a mid-range venting solution compatible with select tankless water heaters. Featuring a concentric design, 3-inch inner pipe and 5-inch outer pipe, this kit ensures efficient venting while minimizing heat loss. It is designed for walls with a maximum thickness of 5 inches, making it suitable for standard installations. Priced at $53.85. This kit offers a balance of affordability and quality. The concentric design is a standout feature, as it simplifies installation and enhances energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer to the surrounding environment. However, the limited wall thickness compatibility may restrict its use in some applications. Additionally, users may need to verify compatibility with their specific tankless water heater model. Overall, this product is a solid choice for homeowners seeking a reliable mid-tier venting solution. The Rheem ProTech Horizontal Vent Straight Termination Kit is a high-quality option designed for non-condensing tankless gas water heaters. With a maximum wall thickness of 10 inches, it accommodates a wide range of installation scenarios. Priced at $109.48, this kit includes robust components that ensure reliable performance and durability over time. This kit is particularly well suited for larger installations or systems with higher venting requirements. Its straightforward design simplifies the installation process, and the durable materials ensure long-term reliability. However, the higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its compatibility is limited to non-condensing systems. Overall, this product is ideal for users seeking a dependable solution for demanding applications. The Rheem ProTech Horizontal Vent Cone Termination Kit is a premium venting solution designed for non-condensing tankless gas water heaters. Featuring a cone termination design, this kit ensures efficient venting while maintaining a sleek appearance. With a maximum wall thickness of 8 inches, it is suitable for a variety of installation scenarios. priced at $119.70. It is the most expensive option in this comparison, but offers premium features and build quality. This kit stands out for its advanced design and superior materials, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The cone termination design improves airflow and minimizes backdrafts, enhancing overall performance. However, its high price may not be justifiable for users with basic venting needs, and its compatibility is restricted to non-condensing systems. Overall, this product is best suited for users seeking top-tier performance and aesthetics.